In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make music videos with AI using Kaiber AI. Before you jump into the platform, the first thing you want to do is prepare your music. Make sure your song is ready in either MP3 or WAV format, and ideally use the final mastered version so you're building visuals around the track you actually plan to release. It also helps to be clear on the mood and style of the song before you begin. For example, you might want a cinematic look, an anime-inspired feel, something futuristic, fantasy-based, cyberpunk, or even a more abstract visualizer style. Knowing that direction early makes the whole process much easier. Once your track is ready, head over to Kaiber AI, create an account, and choose a plan that works for your needs. After you're inside, start a new project by selecting the option to create a video. From there, upload your music track, choose the video length, and pick the visual style you want to build around your song. One of the most important parts of this process is writing a strong prompt, because the prompt has a huge impact on the final result. Be specific with your descriptions. For example, you could use something like futuristic neon city at night, flying cars, cinematic lighting, vibrant colors, highly detailed cyberpunk atmosphere, smooth camera movement, music video style. If your track fits a fantasy mood better, you could describe a magical forest with glowing butterflies, an enchanted castle, dreamy lighting, and epic cinematic fantasy visuals. The more clearly you describe the world, the better the AI can interpret your vision. If you want, you can also upload an image to guide the video. This could be an album cover, AI-generated artwork, a character image, or a logo. Kaiber can animate that image and turn it into a moving scene, which is a great way to make the video feel more personal and branded. Next, adjust the motion settings. This is where you control things like camera movement, animation intensity, visual style strength, and aspect ratio. For YouTube, a 16:9 ratio is recommended. For Shorts, Reels, or TikTok, go with 9:16. And for an Instagram feed post, 1:1 works well. When everything looks good, generate the video and give Kaiber a few minutes to create the visuals. For a more polished result, create multiple short scenes instead of relying on one single clip. You can use different prompts for different parts of the song and match the visuals to the energy, like slower cinematic scenes for the intro, faster visuals for the chorus, dreamy effects for the bridge, and a strong epic shot for the ending. After that, bring all your generated clips into CapCut. This is where you can fine-tune the final video by adding beat synchronization, transitions, effects, lyrics, and text animations. Finally, export your project in 1080p or 4K as an MP4 using 30 or 60 frames per second and upload it to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram.